In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer statement in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to generate a clean statement for any customer, summarizing invoices, payments, credits, and the outstanding balance. Make sure you're signed in to the correct organization in Zoho Books and that your role has access to sales and customers, so everything you see matches what I'm showing. Start from your Zoho Books dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the Sales section. This is the hub for everything related to selling: estimates, invoices, payments received, and of course, your customer records. Click Sales to expand it. If your sidebar is collapsed to icons, hover to reveal labels or use the menu button to pin it open. Taking a second here ensures you're navigating the right area before moving forward. Depending on your role and theme, the layout may vary slightly, but the sales area and its options remain consistent across organizations. Within sales, choose customers. This opens your customer list, showing every contact you bill. The list usually displays the customer name, outstanding balance, and status, making it easy to scan at a glance. If you manage many accounts, the search and filters at the top are your best friends. Type a few letters of the customer's name, company, or code to narrow the list quickly. Keep an eye on the status column so you don't pick an inactive contact by mistake. Next, select the specific customer you want. Click the customer's name to open their profile page. Here, you'll see an overview of recent activity and tabs that organize everything tied to this account. Double check that you've got the right contact by confirming details like company name, currency, and any notes your team has stored. If you handle multiple branches or similar customer names, this quick verification step prevents you from creating a statement for the wrong account. Now, open the Statement tab in that customer's profile. Zoho Books will generate the customer statement for you, summarizing all transactions in a clear chronological format. You'll see opening balances, invoices, payments, credits, and the running amount due, which is especially helpful for reconciliation and follow-ups. The statement reflects a defined period and reads like a running ledger from opening to closing balance. Aging totals show what's current versus overdue at a glance. If anything looks off, review invoice dates and received payments to confirm the timeline. Use this view to confirm that everything is accurate and complete before you share it outside your organization. That's it. You've created the customer statement in Zoho Books ready for review and record keeping.